What if I told you you could start earning more than $2,000 a month with your drone, even if you're a complete beginner? All you need is your drone and some dedication. I've been creating flight planning software UgCS for years and working with both professional drone pilots as well as beginners. In this video, we will cover the tools you'll need, how to choose the right niche, how to collect and deliver the data, as well as how you could scale it later on. But first, why is drone surveying such a massive opportunity right now? Industries like solar, telecom, agriculture, and construction are scrambling for pilots who can deliver accurate aerial data. Construction sites need weekly progress reports. Farmers rely on crop health maps to save water and boost yields. Solar companies need damage inspections across thousands of panels. And telecoms want safer tower checks without sending climbers. Even real estate agents will pay for stunning aerial shots and 3D models. And what's the best part? You don't need a $10,000 drone or an engineering degree. You can get started with just a $1,000 drone. And then, once you have already mastered the base skills, you can move into higher paying niches such as LiDAR surveys. But what do you actually need to get started? Well, first off, obviously, you'll need a drone. Right now you can get used Phantom 4 RTK or Mavic 2 Pro or Enterprise models for quite good deals. You can buy them used to save some money. And if you got a bigger budget, you can opt for a drone such as the DJI Mavic 3 Enterprise or the Matrice 4, which we recently reviewed on our channel. And for surveying, look for drones that have RTK or PPK GPS capability. This will massively boost the accuracy of your results. Next, let's talk software. You'll need three main things. Firstly, flight planning. To get results that customers will pay for, we recommend you use UgCS because it gives you the right tools that fit the industry needs. It allows you to plan any size projects, pre-plan your flights from home or office, allowing you to spend less time in the field, easily import KML boundary data from customers, use industry-leading terrain-following algorithms for safe flights and accurate data. You can get started even today with a free trial of 14 days and then just choose whichever license fits your needs best. Next, data processing. Start free with WebODM or use one of the paid tools such as Agisoft Metashape or Pix4D. These tools allow you to create orthophoto maps, terrain models, and even digital twins of buildings. Keep in mind that not always customers will ask you to deliver already processed datasets to them. Some customers will just ask you to deliver raw data files, such as pictures, to them. And thirdly, this brings us to data sharing platforms. So just when you're getting started, you can use something simple like Google Drive or Dropbox. But then later on, if you might have some customers who don't want to have any software on their own computers and just want to access all the data from a web browser, you can use some data sharing platforms such as Drone.gis or others. Now that you have the right tools, let's talk about where to make money. Instead of trying to do everything, try to pick one niche and get really good at it. Here are some of the best beginner-friendly options. Real estate. Here you'll do things such as aerial photos, 360 virtual tours, as well as land maps. To get started, DM 5 agents in your Instagram or on your Facebook and offer them to take free sample shots of their properties. Agriculture. What you'll do here is create crop health maps, do boundary surveys, as well as create topographical maps for irrigation planning. To get started, you can post in your local Facebook communities of farmers and offer them to do your work for free initially, and then as the word spreads, you can start charging for it. Solar inspections. What you will do is do thermal surveys with aim to detect faulty or incorrectly installed panels. Just keep in mind that for this specific application, you will need a drone with a thermal camera. So if you want to do solar farm surveys, I'd suggest you choose a drone such as the DJI Mavic 3 Thermal or some other similar drone with a thermal camera. To get started, you can search for solar farms near your location and contact their owners offering your services. And next, construction and topography surveying. What you'll do here is create 2D and 3D maps, as well as do progress tracking of construction sites, which means that these could even be surveys that have to be repeated with a certain frequency of a few weeks or months. To get started, you can reach out to your local construction companies who are working on projects within your area, offering them to do free surveys. And final tip, start local. Check out your local Facebook groups for different communities around niches in which you want to get started. And then you can offer your services initially for free, build a killer portfolio, and then the customers will be coming to you and calling you. Finally, once you have chosen your niche that you want to work in, and once you have done some of those initial projects, you can think on how you can start to scale up the business. Some customers will only require raw data or a simple orthophoto map. One way how to provide customers with more value is by not just giving them raw data, but giving them already processed data or reports. This you can do by either learning to do some part of the data processing yourself or outsourcing data processing to other companies and then just delivering the customer with ready-made reports which detail defects, topographical maps, and any other items which the customer is interested in. If starting out goes well, then later down the road you can upgrade. Get a bigger drone, as well as consider going into other more high-paying niches, such as doing LiDAR surveys. And now, to put all of this together, let's rewind a bit and consider what we have learned today. Firstly, drone surveying is a rapidly growing industry with increasing demand. And to start here, you don't need a lot. You can get started with as little as $1,500 to $2,000 and then go from there as you build your skills, knowledge, and customer base. Number 2. Use UgCS to plan flights professionally and not miss any crucial details. You and your customers will thank you for that. Choose any niche you prefer. From agriculture to real estate to construction, there's a lot of opportunity. And number 4, scale up when you are ready. You can always later down the road get better drone, better sensors, but important thing is to get started now, and then later down the road you can of course always have this opportunity to upgrade. And so what are you waiting for? Your journey of becoming a professional drone pilot starts now. It starts today. So visit our website, link down in the description, to grab a free trial of UgCS and get started. And make sure to check out our YouTube channel as well as our website for other useful resources on drone, flight planning, and data processing. Thank you for watching. Consider subscribing to our channel for more drone-related content and watch other videos such as this one. And see you in the next one.